Hello friends. A new 9th generation of Toyota Camry has been presented in the USA. However, looking at the car, it is easy to notice that there are not so many changes in the sedan. The car received a new front in the style of Crown and Prius models and a different design of the rear part. The center part is unchanged, as in XV70, but the interior design has been transformed much more. The four-door has a completely different architecture of the front panel and center console. Camry has a 7 or 12.3-inch digital dashboard, as well as 8 or 12.3-inch screen of the media complex. The diagonal depends on the version. The top-of-the-line XSE and XLE versions in the North American market have a 10-inch projection screen. Standard equipment includes wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, JBL audio system, wireless smartphone charging, several USB-C and USB-A connectors, heated, ventilated seats, and the advanced Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 suite of electronic assistance are available as options. The company promises a wider choice of trim materials, which, of course, have become even better quality and more pleasant to the touch. On the technical side, the model, as expected, retained the platform of the last generation TNGA-K, but with a redesigned suspension and, of course, other powertrains. There is no V6 in the Camry lineup now. In the engine compartment is installed 2.5-liter inline four-cylinder, which helps in the front-wheel drive version 2 electric motors with a small lithium-ion battery, and traction to the wheels is transmitted through a variator. The final power of the sedan has not yet been announced, but we are talking about 228 horsepower. The all-wheel drive Camry will be accompanied by an all-wheel drive Camry with an additional electric motor on the rear axle and slightly more power. About 235 horsepower is expected. In the United States, the Toyota Camry will go on sale in the spring of 2024. Closer to that time, the company promises to reveal more details about the car. The version intended for Europe is fully consistent with the model for the US market. In the Spanish market, the price of the new Toyota Camry will start at 44,000 euros. This price includes a number of modern features and options: a spacious touchscreen, leather-trimmed seats, a digital instrument panel, wireless charging, as well as various safety systems and driving assistance, including adaptive cruise control and emergency braking system. It's important to note that in the United States, the price for a similar car starts at $30,000. This makes the Camry one of the most affordable hybrid sedans on the market, combining style, comfort, and advanced technology. The 2024 Toyota Camry is already generating interest among consumers, and the car is expected to be popular due to its fuel efficiency, technology, and reliability that the Japanese automaker is known for. Do you think the new 2024 Toyota Camry will succeed in capturing the global market? Does it meet your expectations of a hybrid car?